this one. Okay, so like this. Drop here at the forehead and the cheeks and this one. Okay. Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about this face additional skin routine to myself. Of course, is a face serum collagen peptides. This one, my amigos and amigas. So this one is not a sponsored product. I buy it at Macy department store because it's on sale. You know already that I love some sale item, and I add this to my skin routine. So what can we know about this face serum collagen peptides? First of all, my amigos and amigas, we know already that collagen is one of the basic needs of our skin, and also peptides, additional ingredients to this collagen is peptides. So what is a peptide, my amigos and amigas? Basically, it's amino acids protein needed to our skin. So this one, so it has a dropper in it. Okay, so later, my amigos and amigas, I will show you how to use it. So what are the benefits of using a collagen peptide? So I will give you. So watch out for this whole video, my amigos and amigas, and enjoy. What are the benefits of using a collagen peptides? I'm gonna give you the number one is improved skin barrier, and number two is reduce wrinkles. Well, it's gonna be reduce wrinkles because you know, my amigos and amigas, as we keep on aging, every year additional aging, of course, I'm already 30 plus, and then I decided to use a collagen peptide. So we need it, my amigos and amigas, for a look younger and youthful, of course. So that's the benefits. And number three is repair damage of skin, even some acne, of course, because it's so beneficial. This one, amigos, is because of the collagen peptides. As I told you, it's like a vitamins for the skin. Well, additional, of course, this one. And lastly, it can help clear breakouts like some pimples and some acne to our skin. So this one is really good. So that's the benefits of using collagen peptides. So I hope you enjoyed, my amigos and amigas. then it's time to use it. I'll show you, my amigos and amigas. Okay, here first, this one, I just push this one, the dropper, and this one. Okay, so like this, drop here at the forehead and the cheeks, and this one. Okay, then after dropping it, my amigos and amigas, you just have to circular motion here in the cheeks and even in the nose to make it spread, and also in the forehead. Okay, so I still have some a little hair, some little hair. You can spread through the neck. If it's not enough, my amigos and amigas, you can you can drop again. If you're not satisfied enough, you can drop here again, like this one and this. Okay, and circular motion, don't forget. Okay, then here. Okay, so I've been using this, my amigos and amigas, I think at least 2 weeks, if I'm not, well, if not busy, if I did not forget, because busy here, something else to do. So don't forget, because sometimes I forget it. Okay, so the routine of using the peptide collagen is, number one, for me, I don't know what's your routine, my amigos and amigas. Number one is facial cleanser, and number two is toner, and number three is this one. And lastly, after using the peptide collagen peptide, my amigos and amigas, because this is a serum, you can add in your skin routine the moisturizer, because they said, I read some books that using a face serum collagen, after it you can use a moisturizer so that it can enhance the effectiveness of it. So this one, I'm using it. Okay, Clean Botanica Serum Peptide. Okay, so if you're gonna ask me what can I say in this product, my amigos and amigas, I can say it's good, and the effectiveness of my skin is, I cannot say it because it's just 2 weeks, maybe more using to it, maybe 1 month or 2 months. I can see the improvement in my skin, but now I think it's still the same. Yeah, so I have to continue using it. Okay, my amigos and amigas. So this one, and also the oil, the texture of this one is okay, because it's like not that oily, I can say. How to say that? It's a gel, like a gel, but not sticky, by the way. It's not sticky in my hand, so it's okay, and also very affordable. Well, I can say because it's on sale on Macy. So this one, my amigos and amigas, you can use it every day, by the way. Every day after toner, then use this one, then followed by a moisturizer, my amigos and amigas. So you can achieve a glowing, a youthful skin as you age. Okay, well, I'm not saying all must have it, but it depends upon you. But for me, I'm really enjoying using this, the collagen serum peptides. Okay, so anything you can use. Okay, I just buy this because I told you it's on sale. I really like it. Okay, and it's not yet effective because I have to continue using it for at least 2 or 3 months, 1 month, like that. Okay, my amigos and amigas, if you like this video about giving you some information about the benefits of this face serum collagen peptides, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in a comment section box if you want to mention something or if you want to add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas. Keep supporting me.